I don't know if you guys listen or watch Dr. Berg, but he says the best way to get collagen is to actually ingest it. So I do have collagen powder that I add to my water. Anyways, then I got this that I was able to choose, purifying day cream. It's pretty hefty. It's 1.7 ounces, so it's a good size. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. Ah, crap. Ay, caramba. This one is 2.53, so this is a pretty good size. I did choose the perfume just because I'm like on a perfume kick. It smells like vacation, by vacation. It's 0.30, oh no, it's 10 ml, so milliliters, is that what ml stands for? I don't know, but I did spray it. It literally, I just poked my freaking eye out of my eye socket. It literally smells like you're like on the beach sun tanning. Maybe it's because it kind of has a hint of suntan lotion. I don't know if you guys remember that sunblock company called No Advertisement. It reminds me of that. Then I wasn't able to choose this, but they chose, sorry, I've been at work all day and talking nonstop. It has the doe foot. There is the plastic liner that you have to take off first. Let me go ahead and squirt that on my hand. It's not squirting, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out later because it's probably operator error. Yup. Anyways, let me go ahead now that I got some on the floor, to the window, to the wall. Put that on my hand. It's a real pretty color. Come here, Boomer, so I can put you in blush. And then if you did end up getting a huge box like I did, it's probably an indicator that you got this beautiful, sorry, I'm a one-eyed willy. I don't know what a one-eyed willy is, but this iconic London eyeshadow, hotting up, and it's more like fall tones, I would say. But I love this brand. I have like 6 of